Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I've got the flagship of the Sea Ray SPX series. I'm talking about the 230 Outboard. Hop on board and join me on my adventure. Starting out this video back here, we're gonna have a Mercury 200 horsepower V6 engine. Let's just take a few seconds to just appreciate how beautiful this engine is. Okay, let's go. Back here we're gonna have very well appointed sea deck, beautiful rich gray color. On the swim platform and through the walkway. Brings me to my next point, the sun lounge area. Got a high in the low 90s today. Heat index is probably like 110. It is smoking hot out here. Still cool to the touch on a nice white ivory upholstery. Of course, as you guys know, with the outboard on the back, you are gonna have a ton of storage. I mean, I could fit in there easily. You guys have seen that in previous videos, and I'm 6'5". Kidding, I'm a little munchkin. Great deal of seating back here on the 230, whether you're right here, or kicking it back here. And that's without even getting to the captain and co-captain's chair. Hey, look at me, look at me. I'm the captain now. Who am I kidding? I'm always the captain. That's why I'm in the captain's chair. Up here we've got our Simrad unit already built into the dash, a couple analog gauges, tunes controlled right there on the Fusion unit. What's there not to love? The thing that sets the 230 apart from every smaller model that Sea Ray makes is it is the first one that is offered with a head, which is a deal breaker for a lot of folks. Check it out. You know, hanging out up here, nice deep cushions, real comfortable, lay out your legs. I could hang out here forever. Let's see what I'm gonna look like. All the kids are doing nowadays. So what are you waiting for? The sun's out, it's hot, deals are hotter, and it's time to get you out on your next dream boat. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I look forward to meeting you down here at the dealership. Bye guys.